Here's our first contestant, Burke, and our second contestant, Bobet.
Hello.
Hi. The first question is, what is a chromatin and what does it do?
A chromatin is found in the nucleus and is made of DNA protein. It controls cell activities like a blueprint.
Correct. Now here's a picture. Here is the chromatin. This is an animal cell. Here's the chromatin. That is what it looks like. Now it's time for the second question. What is a nuclear membrane and what does it do?
Is it the outside of the nucleus? Wrong. The who, the her. The nuclear membrane is a four-layer membrane that regulates what goes in and out of the nucleus. It surrounds the nucleus, too.
That's correct. That's 2 questions correct for Bobet. The nuclear membrane surrounds the nucleus. This is what it looks like on an animal cell. It'll be surrounding the nucleus right there. Well, then the third question is, what is a nucleus and where is it located?
Oh, I know this. It's the nucleus is like the brain of the cell. It's where the actions cell are regulated to the genetic material is stored. It's the middle of the cell.
That's right. In this animal cell, this is where the nucleus is located. That's what it looks like. Next question. What is a cytoplasm?
Cytoplasm is, cytoplasm is a gel-like substance found in a membrane that gives the cell a shape. It is the inside of the cell, so it's basically everywhere.
Great. Here is a picture of a cytoplasm in the animal cell. It's basically everything except the objects inside there. It's what gives the cell shape. That's what it looks like. What is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, also known as the ER?
How do you expect me to know this? I'm almost 11. People these days.
I think that's the wrong answer, Burke. The smooth ER is a folded membrane that is the delivery system of the cell. The rough ER just has ribosomes attached, while the smooth does not. They are located near the nucleus.
Amazing. That's correct. Here's the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That is what it looks like. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is here, but it has ribosomes attached, unlike the smooth. Next question is, what are ribosomes?
Okay, this is much easier. Ribosomes are tiny structures that are produced by proteins from the cell. They're located on the rough ER.
Correct.
Yeah!
Okay, awkward child, settle down. Ribosomes are attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. You can't see them very well in this animal cell, but they're there. Now tell us what Golgi bodies are.
I think Golgi bodies are stacks of membranes that send proteins outside of the cell. They are located between the nucleus and the edge of the cell.
That's correct. Good job, everybody. You're doing great. On this animal cell, the Golgi bodies are here. That is what they look like. What are vacuoles?
They're the storage/trash bags of the cell. They store food, water, waste, etc. They're located in the middle of the cell.
Right again. In this plant cell, this is the vacuole. That is what it looks like. Alright, it's time for the next question. What are lysosomes?
They're like bags with, I don't know.
Well, you got the bags part right. The bags are chemicals found on the edge of the cell and released to break down or remove old cell parts and waste.
True that, true that. Right again, Bobo. In this animal cell, that is a lysosome. That is what it looks like. Next question. What are mitochondria?
Aren't they like the powerhouse of the cell? And the food is converted into useful energy during respiration? I'm pretty sure they're found near the edge of the cell.
Indeed. In this animal cell, that is one mitochondrion. That is what it looks like. What are chloroplasts?
Can you repeat the question?
This isn't a spelling bee.
Fine. Chloroplasts are found in animal cells and help with the cell division.
Nope, those are centrioles. Chloroplasts are only found in plant cells. They convert energy of the sun into food that can be used by the mitochondria. Also, they're located towards the edge of the cell.
Yes, that's correct, Bobo. In this plant cell, which chloroplasts are only found in, that is a chloroplast. That's what it looks like. Now, what are cytoskeletons?
They're like a network of thin, fibrous material that acts like a scaffold of support and structure. It's like the outer layer of the cell.
That is correct. In this plant cell, here is the cytoskeleton. That's what it looks like.
That's funny. At least almost as funny as you got me.
Okay. What are centrioles?
Oh, I know this.
Centrioles are only found in the animal cell and help with cell division. They're near the edge of the cell.
Yes, good job, Bert. In this animal cell, that is a centriole, and that's what it looks like. Question. What are the differences between plant and animal cells?
Huh? Yeah, what he said. Huh?
Animal cells have centrioles, which plants do not. Plants have a cell wall, plastids, and chloroplasts. Animal cells do not have those things.
Oh.
Yes. This concludes today's game show of Cell Crazy. Thanks for watching, folks. See you next week.
I guess.
Last question. What are the differences between plant and animal cells?
Huh? Yeah, what he said. Huh?
Animal cells have centrioles, which plant cells do not. Plant cells have a cell wall, plastids, and chloroplasts.
Oh.